Hello everyone. Today I'm going to show you on how we can create a Google site using a Google Chrome. Now before that, let us give a short description. What is Google site? It is a free website building tool by Google that lets you create a simple website without needing coding skills. Now as you can see here in my screen, I have here the Google site pull up already. And make sure that you're logged in with your Google account here. So as our step one is visit sites.google.com, and then when you enter it on your Google, you will see this page. All you need to do is to click the blank site as we are going to create a new site. And here, you will be seeing untitled site and then your page title. So all we need to do is to put a title site, which is I decided to put mathematics. And then you will be seeing an option to click add logo. So I'll be clicking that and then select the option upload. I already have prepared logo in my file, so I just need to click it and click open. Then here you go. You will be seeing it with small size on the upper left corner. Now you will have an option to provide your page title, which I'm going to put Mathematics Club. You have your option as well to make the text small to make sure that it will be pleasant to see, or you can resize it as well, like that. Okay, let's make it big. All right, let's drag it to the middle. And then as you can see on our right side, we do have three functional option in creating a Google site. We have insert, pages, and then themes. So later on, we're going to explore it one by one, but we will be focusing on creating a pages or simple pages and adding link or embedded. Now, since we are here in themes, we have an option to choose what color do we want in our Google site. And when you click enter, you also have an option to click or add text box, images, embedded, which is the link. We will going to try it later. And then Google Drive. Now, in my case, I can add or upload images, but I just wanted to make it simple like that. I also have prepared photos that I can insert. So I'm going to click this content blocks and then we can add some photos. Let's upload. And then let's click mathematics. There you go. Let's type introduction. And then let's try to insert some text. I do have prepared text here. So let's try to use it. History of mathematics as introduction here. You can add and paste text You can also choose what font do you like to make it more presentable on your website. So let's use this one. Let's just randomly. Okay. All right, like this. Okay. So this is how you can utilize the content blocks. It also has an option to put two photos and then text. And then after that, let's go to the pages wherein we can add some pages in our Google site. So instead of having this home option, let's see, let's try to create or put history of mathematics. There. Then you can also add. You'll be seeing this option. Sorry, the camera. Let's close it. You'll be seeing add option here. And then let's try to put, no, let's go back and make sure that it will be still home for our page and then history of mathematics. Okay. Now in this history of mathematics, we will be seeing this page wherein you can type history of mathematics, something like that. Or we can add an image here. Let's try. Let's try this intro. There you go. See? You can also make this text small as giving away to the photo that we uploaded on this side. Okay, let's drag it to the right. Make it bold. Okay, like that. Now in this page, I have already a YouTube link for us to have a YouTube video for our history of mathematics. Now all we need to do is to put the URL. So let's go to the YouTube page. Where's the other? Let's open other tab. Okay, like this. History of mathematics. Let's copy this link. And then let's go back. Oops. Where is it now? Okay, let's paste this YouTube link and then click insert. That's how we can put a YouTube link that a student can watch related to history of mathematics. You can make it big, and since I have three YouTube link prepared for this pages, let's put it as well. Let's copy the link from here. And let's put it here. Uh, let's copy first the what is mathematics. So student can watch this video if they want to learn more what is mathematics as part of the history of mathematics page. And let's try to add this one, which is the four operations of mathematics. It also has a origin that explains where do math symbol came from or come from. There you go. Okay, since we are able to utilize the insert and then the pages itself, also the themes, let's try to add another one for the pages. Let's add, and then trivia questions. Okay, in this section, we're going to okay, let's click the trivia question. Oh, let's delete the new page. Trivia question. Trivia quiz. There you go. And then let's click insert and then try these three content blocks for photos. Just click the plus sign and then upload. I prepared this photo earlier. And then upload another one. Then upload another one. There you go. The good thing about the Google site is not only photos or YouTube link that you can upload, you can also add a Google form for the quizzes, which we're going to get from this page that I prepared earlier. All you need to do is to copy the URL and then paste it here. Insert, and then there you go. It's a 3 questions with answer or response that you will be receiving as well on your Google account. Now let's check the preview to make sure that our Google site is presentable. This is how it looks when you are using a laptop or computer. This one is for a tablet. They can click history of mathematics. All the videos that we posted will show here. And the trivia quiz. Just like that. All right. Now it also has a preview using a phone. It will look like this. Okay, once you're satisfied with the preview of your Google site that you've created, all we need to do is to click the publish on your top right corner to save all the changes that you made. And from here, you can use your existing domain or try the Google Workspace. Just like that. Okay, so you have your two options to publish this website. That's all that I can share for today, what I learned in this session. This is Laika, and thank you so much. Bye.